We here at Gardens of Babylon are always delighted to see you and help you on your journey of beautifying your space, whether it be indoor or outside living area. And we are so thrilled to offer our new quick sketch service that will help you select plants for your project needs. We couldn't be more excited to help you actualize your vision, and with our trained staff, we will collaborate together and beautify your space. Taking only a few minutes, you and one of our team members will discuss your vision, and then we will do a quick sketch. That ideal design is just waiting for you. To gather some great information about your project and successful planting, we're going to ask you a few questions, like what's your project? Are there deer in your area? What's your soil type? Do you have photos and dimensions that might be helpful? How much sun are you receiving in that area? What plant colors and sizes are you envisioning? Once we've acquired this necessary information about your project, we can begin your quick sketch. And when you decided on your plant choices, we'll select those, put those in your cart, and the last step will be going to the register and making your purchase. And just like that, your idea and design is in full bloom, pun intended. All right, friends, so if you have a space less than 300 square feet, we've got our pencils sharpened, blank space, ready to write, ready to sketch, ready to see you, help you envision your dream. Come on out and see us here at Gardens of Babylon. We are excited to see you.